I recently got scammed for a fake pair of Travis Scott Reverse Mocha Air Jordan 1 lows. I wound up paying $1,000 for them early. I was supposed to promote them. I am not obviously promoting them. I did get scammed. If you guys haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. I'll leave it up above. However, in this video, we're gonna find out, am I getting scammed again? I really hope not. Let's go find out. I am right now currently at UPS, and I have some packages to ship as well, so let's go ship out these packages. Let's go to UPS. Let's go pick up the Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Reverse Mocha. I did buy these off a subscriber. I am paying them after I get them. It is GUA. Hit that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and let's go find out. Am I getting scammed again? Oh God, I really hope not.
5 minutes later.
Got the package, let's go find out. Did I get scammed again for this Travis Scott Reverse Mocha Jordan 1 Low? I really hope not. I hope these are legit. Stay tuned, I'm gonna legit check these in this video, make sure these are 100% real and compare them to the fake pair and make sure that these are 100% legit. I really hope I did not get scammed again, man. Oh, that would suck. That would be awful. I'm gonna be pissed and go on another rant if I got scammed again. I really hope not. Let's go back to the studio and let's find out. Did I get scammed again? Back home, finally back home. I did shower, so I did put on a new t-shirt. That's why you guys saw the white tee. Now I'm in a gray tee. Let's open these up and let's find out. Did I get scammed? Right here I have the fake pair, so I have something to compare them to and make sure that these are 100% legit. So let's get into this unboxing, man. I'm very, very excited to see these sneakers. These are straight fire, a must-have for my sneaker collection. Size 10.5. I am very excited for these. I will be adding these to the collection if they are legit. Let's find out. Hopefully, I didn't get scammed again. So right here we have the pink paper. All right. We have the white paper. Let's take a look. I'm excited, man. I'm hyped for these. Wow, there they are. The Travis Scott Reverse Mocha Air Jordan 1 Low. I am going to be legit checking these using the Legit app. If you guys want to download the Legit app, there's a link down below in the description. Make sure you guys check that out. So here they are, the Reverse Mocha Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low. Right off the jump, they look good. They look good. So that's good. They smell like they should. They definitely don't smell like the fake pair does. So here is the fake pair. And here is the pair I just got. I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure. Whoa, big difference there on the back. You got a big difference on the back. Huge. Look at that stitching difference on the back of the shoe, as well as the shape, as well as the placement. There's differences like crazy. So this is the pair I just got. This is the fake pair. Take a look at those Nike Airs. Big difference. This is the pair I just got. And this is the fake pair. I'm not sure if the camera is gonna pick this up, but there is a midsole color difference as well as the swoosh color difference. There's the writing on the back of the tag of the fake pair. Let's take a look at the pair I just got and see if there's any differences. Big difference. Oh yes, major difference in the font, the style, the placement. There's tons of differences there. So now it's time for me to take pictures, submit these to Legit app, make sure that these are legit and these check out, and then I'm gonna pay the guy. First glance, having this pair in hand and having the fake pair in hand already, these look good, but let's double check. Let's do it on the Legit app. All right, so the photos just got done being uploaded. Let's go ahead and submit these, and we're gonna do it for 30 minutes, and let's wait and find out and make sure that these are legit.
5 minutes later.
I am so happy right now. Authentic, legit, yes, thank you. I am so happy. I did not get scammed. Make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I will be doing a real versus fake Reverse Mocha Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low video very soon, and you do not want to miss it. I went ahead and paid the seller just now $1,000 for this real pair of reverse mocha Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. I am so happy to finally have a real pair in my possession and add them to my sneaker collection. I will be wearing these. I cannot wait. When I do wear my reverse mochas, I'm gonna put Drip Grip sole protectors on the bottom of the sneakers to keep the bottom fresh, keep them in great condition. I do have them on my off-white Nike Dunks. As you guys can see, Drip Grip sole protectors are preserving the bottom, collecting all the dirt, dust, everything that gets on the bottom of the sneaker. When I peel off the sole protector, it's gonna make the bottom look brand new. Keeping the sneaker in great condition, keeping resale value high, and keeping the sneaker in great condition. So make sure you guys check out Drip Grip. They have the best sole protectors in the game. No slips, no tears, multiple wears. Link down below, and use my code DANNY10 to get 10% off your order from dripgrip.com. Real versus fake reverse mocha Travis Scott 1 video coming very soon. Make sure you guys stay tuned. It feels great to have a real pair of Travis Scott reverse mochas in hand. Finally, I did not get scammed. Thank you for not scamming me, bro. These are straight fire. I'm so happy to add these to my sneaker collection. These are straight fire. I now have 2 of the 3 Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows in my collection. I am missing the OG mocha pair. I do think that the reverse mocha happens to be my least favorite of the 3. The reverse mochas are clean, they're fire, they're wearable. I do think the fragment is a little bit better, and I do like those mochas even more than the reverse mocha as well. I'm not sure if I like the fragment or the OG better. I'm not sure. The reverse mocha is the cheapest as of now on the market of the Jordan 1 line. I do think this is a clean sneaker. They're fire, they're wearable. It is the brown, that mocha color. These are straight fire. Buy them before it's too late, but I do think you guys can wait. In the comments, let me know your list in order of the Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. Do you like the mocha the best? Do you like the reverse mocha? Do you like the fragment? Drop a comment. Let me know if you guys were able to pick up the reverse mocha Travis Scott Jordan 1 low on the Nike Sneakers app. Comment a W or an L. I want to see who copped and who did not. Also, be sure to leave a comment. Let me know if you're going to pay that hefty resale price of over $1,000 for the Travis Scott reverse mocha Jordan 1 low. Prices have dropped. I do think they will drop a little bit more and eventually go up in price. But nonetheless, this is still a fire, straight fire pair of Air Jordan 1 lows from Travis Scott. They killed it once again. Free Military Black 4 giveaway. Like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 4 Military Black. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.